On another hot day, ERCOT asking all of us to conserve energy this afternoon.
They did. They went into step one of their four-step plan to conserve energy. Several power plants in the state today tripped off, and so they were in a little crunch for a while. They'd asked all of us to turn off unnecessary lights and other electricity if possible until 7 o'clock tonight, but we just got word a few minutes ago from Austin Energy that they had lifted that request. It's always a good idea to conserve energy, but it's apparently not an emergency situation right now. Well, let's begin with a look at a hot day out there. Skies mostly clear and sunny at this hour. We did get to 100 out at the airport just a moment ago, so we are back to the triple digits for the first time, really, since the first day of summer. Remember, we had that rain late last Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning, and ever since then, because of the soil moisture, the high temperatures have stayed below 100 degrees every day until today, at least out at the airport. At Mabry, officially 98 right now, and the high temperature at Mabry has officially been 99. I think we'll find out between now and 6 if we've hit 100 there, too. So, in the city, it's 98. At 8 o'clock tonight, our evening planning forecast dropping the temperature to about 96 or so, and at 10 p.m. tonight into the upper 80s with clear skies. Thermometer readings out there right now, 99 in Georgetown, 97 Lockhart, 97 Bastrop, 95 LaGrange. Notice it's just a bit cooler, or let's not call it cool, let's call it less hot, over in Fayette County where there was more rain. Remember last week in Fayette County, there were some 2 to 5 inch rainfall totals across the county, and so it'll take you a little while longer until your soil moisture evaporates there than, let's say, out in the hill country where many locations just had rainfall totals in the tenths of an inch, 2/10, 3/10 of an inch. Therefore, it's 102 in Llano right now. Many locations out in the hill country topped 100 degrees today. Now, I mentioned thermometer readings because we have to talk about the heat index today because of that soil moisture. Now, there's more water vapor in the atmosphere, more moisture out there, and so it feels hotter than it really is. This is the heat index, 105 right now in Llano. At the airport right now, it feels like 109 degrees. So this is actually worse than if the actual thermometer readings were back up to 100 and we had the drier air like we had most of the month of June. 104s right now, the heat indices off in our eastern counties. It's 98 in Austin, mostly clear. It's 100 degrees right now out at the airport with a mostly clear sky. A wind blowing out of the south at 8 to 9 miles per hour. Sunsets at 8:37 tonight. Pollen count today, only mold. That's it. And 765 is medium. Around the state right now, 101 in Waco, 102 in Abilene, 107 degrees up in Lubbock. Up in Childress, Texas yesterday, it was 117 degrees. Can you imagine that? 107 right now down in the Laredo area. As you can see, skies mostly clear and sunny in our part of Texas. We're tracking a little tropical system we've been talking about now for more than a week. It's moved off the Yucatan now and into the southern Bay of Campeche. National Hurricane Center says that there's a 30% chance of development of this system in the next 48 hours. But guess what? High pressure over Texas bringing us the heat should steer that thing right into Mexico. And so if Texas gets rain out of it, it's going to be South Texas, not our part of the state. If anything, it might just make us hotter. Tonight, the overnight lows in the mid-70s. The high temperatures tomorrow, most of us get to 100 degrees or so, except maybe over in Fayette County. Tonight, some late-night low clouds and 77. Let's go 100 tomorrow with plenty of sunshine today, very much like today. On the 7-day forecast, 100 tomorrow, 101 Wednesday, 101 Thursday. Does this look familiar? I think the heat wave's back, folks, right on through the 4th of July. We're looking at triple digits.